Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be installing macOS on a Windows laptop. So right now I'm currently running Windows, and how we're gonna be doing this is that I'm gonna be installing macOS Ventura using OpenCore because it doesn't currently support it. So I'm gonna start doing it right now. So here are the things we need. Number one, we need Python, which you can get at www.python.org/downloads. Um, so I'm gonna install Python standalone installer, and then now we can go ahead and grab ourselves OpenCore Simplify, which I'm gonna use because I don't want to do the whole process where I have to um install all these texts and all that, because I honestly think it's too risky, and I like it when it's simplified because it takes a while to actually do all that manually. So now this also relies on the OpenCore guide, which I'm gonna start doing the thing. So what I'm gonna start installing the OpenCore 106 debug and release. And I'm gonna keep this open because we'll need it later, as you can see. But now I can get ready to install Python and the other apps. So I'm gonna install Python, which is gonna install right now. And I'm gonna start making the EFI. So with the OpenCore Simplify thing, you want to extract it. And now once it's extracted, I'm gonna click this and then run the batch file for Windows. And this is safe, by the way, which is why I have my network on, so that it can update, so that it'll actually work. Because I've tried it without the network and it didn't even work. So I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, so just a quick disclaimer, if you're gonna do this on your own, and also I have to say this is not a tutorial, you'll want to have Python installed on your computer. So once I'm gonna have to do this. By the way, if you're wondering, my Wi-Fi drivers will not, Wi-Fi is not gonna be supported, which is why I'm not gonna I'm gonna be using Ethernet later in this video to install macOS. So I'm gonna just wait for this to install, and I'll just go from there. So yeah, I've completely installed Python on this, which, well, if you want proof, can't show you right now, but this is not the video to be as a tutorial to install Python, because yeah, I'm only using it for this. And by the way, just again, this is not a tutorial, I'm only doing this. So I'm gonna go to my utilities and I'm gonna go to Mac recovery because I already got it. So CMD, and it opens there. So I'm just gonna install it, the file now. So as it installs, I'm gonna do the OpenCore Simplify stuff right now. I'm gonna click run. It's loading right now. Installs. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing my hardware support. Hardware report I'm at right now. So right now, while this is doing it, I'm gonna actually make a partition. First, I'm gonna format it. Actually, hold on. First, I'm gonna format it first, so that all the Windows files just goes away, because I had to reinstall Windows after the Tahoe install didn't even work, because I was also trying to do this earlier today. Also, if you're wondering about that dancing green thingy, it's just my mom's phone camera doing it if I do it close. So yeah. I'm just gonna wait for it to format. Hold on, it's not even loading. To format this. So start. As that's doing that, that's gonna continue on with it. I'm waiting for it to do it. So yeah, it's done formatting. gonna click close. Now I need to open another like window. Hold on, give me a minute. So I need to like actually like clean the entire like disk. So I'm gonna do list disk select disk 0. I'm gonna clean it. No, not disk 0. I'm stupid. No. Stop. No, stop. Hold on. I need to do this again. Okay, so I've just formatted it. Okay, so this is done. So I don't need to worry about that right now. So I'm gonna X out of my file manager. And here it is. So my Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and my SD controllers are not even supported, but that's fine. And I'm gonna choose Ventura, so 22, and I'm gonna customize my ACPI patch and my texts, and I'll show you after that. So off camera, I actually decided to change my macOS version to macOS Monterey 12 because like I don't want like compatibility to be an issue. I'll just put up an antivirus on my laptop later, but I just don't like how like it will not install. So I'm gonna build the OpenCore EFI, and I'm gonna start putting the things on my. Okay, so the EFI build has been completed. Please ignore the other noises outside the camera. So I'm just gonna move it to my drive, and I'm gonna wait for it to move, copying from the desktop. Currently it's done now. So I'm going to go into my OpenCore thing. I'm gonna click Mac Recovery. Now COM Apple Boot is gonna go there too. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for it to copy over, and I'm gonna install it tonight. Actually no, I'm gonna install it tomorrow. Please wait for like part 2. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.